Hello everyone, I'm Theron. I'm your instructor for this summer's 103 session, and we're going to get started right now. You have a brief session. Instead of 15 weeks, we have 7, which means there's a lot of writing in a condensed period of time. So first things first, you need to go through the Start Here module, do the quick syllabus quiz. It's very easy once you've read the syllabus. And then move on to the week 1 module where you'll get more instructions for your diagnostic essay, which is due this Thursday, the 8th at 8 a.m. This essay is more or less a practice essay. It doesn't carry as many points as the formal essays, but it's important because I get to see your style of writing. And also, it's necessary to save your spot in the course because there's a lot of requests for adds and drops during the first week, and I need to know who's participating. Do your best on it. That way I can help you in terms of growing much more quickly, especially with regard to Essay 1. There will be a quick turnaround. Essay 1 will be due a week after the diagnostic is due, so July 15th at 8 a.m. You'll need to just get started as soon as possible. I would recommend trying to get your diagnostic done earlier in the week and then submitting it before the 8th and then going ahead to start on your first formal essay. One other note. This semester, one of the things that I'm stressing is that we edit carefully. So in the week 1 module, you have your list of top 20 errors that I've seen over the years, and you'll be using that as an editing tool for every essay you submit, including the diagnostic. Make sure you go through it. If you have any questions about it or about anything else, please let me know. I'm really good about responding to emails Monday through Friday. You can catch me almost at any time. And then sometimes on the weekends, it might be 24 hours before I get back to you. Welcome to English 103. Again, I look forward to meeting you. If you want to email or just talk over Zoom or Skype or FaceTime or whatever, and helping you as we move along these 7 brief weeks. So until next time, get started. Best, Theron.